This Sunday, step into a rare turnkey business opportunity in North Providence. Welcome to 1455 Mineral Spring Avenue, number 7, a thriving halal deli, Mediterranean grocery, and licensed tobacco shop, all under one roof. Fully equipped with commercial kitchen, POS, freezers, and $70,000 in inventory, this business generates over $200,000 in annual revenue. With hands-on training from the current owner and ample parking, it's ready for immediate operation. Join us for the open house on Sunday, August 17th from 2 to 3:30 p.m. Don't miss your chance. Contact Mustafa Ajluni at 781-817-9121 or Maya Ramadan at 781-974-0706 to schedule a showing today. Gold Door Realty, where doors don't just open, they invite.